Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Sarah and Kate Charleston.com. So this is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of shoes items. As you can see, it will even provide you with the clothing and different uppers and even lower garments. So once I tried to dive deeper, I got to know like this platform has got really popular and a lot of people are talking about it because they're advertising at a huge number. So here's the catch. So they're providing insane discounts like up to 77 or even 78% off. So this is a bit concerning because these are the tactics that are being used by the scammers. So once I tried to dive deeper, I got to know that they do also have an Instagram page, which is a good part. But the thing is, the pictures being uploaded on their official site are AI generated most probably because they actually resonate with the AI generated content. And another thing is, once I tried searching for their reviews on the Trustpilot, I got to know they have a very bad rating of 1.7 out of 5 stars, and which is actually based on 45 reviews. So we can easily trust on this rating because almost 45% have actually bought and reviewed these products from this site. Another concerning thing is that their website was registered just 2 months ago. So this is also a major red flag. So in conclusion, I would say like this platform is pretty much a scam and you should avoid purchasing any items from this site. I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.